Hey, can you let us know where we are right now?
We are in the Lowe's parking lot.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about it. What is Kolache?
They are an amazing bread, doughy, filled with goodness, either savory or sweet, and everyone that I've tried so far, which I've tried a lot, have been amazing.
That's awesome. What would you advise to somebody who knows their schedule to come early?
Yeah, come early, beat the lines, try and beat the heat, and then you won't have to wait as long for the amazing goodness.
Taylor, how do they get this goodness in this little bun? How do they make the savory balls?
Well, basically with unicorn magic, and then we built that trailer with all the old school methods and stuff like that. He's like the handiest dude ever. One of the nicest families I've ever met. I used to live across the street from the Stratmans.
What do you think, Alex?
So good. The pizza is delicious, so savory. There's also chicken fajita, has peppers, corn, chicken, delicious. The breakfast one's on point. You should definitely check out the Kolache Kitchen. They're at Lowe's every Saturday, only until 10, so get here soon.